To regain his standing after the painfully public wreckage of his bankruptcy, P.T. Barnum hit the road for a lecture series entitled The Art of Money Getting. He joked that he probably would have been better at that point speaking on the art of money losing, but that didn't stop him from selling out lecture halls throughout England. Barnum's New England maxims were simple, straightforward, and easy to take home. He urged frugality, saying, "Wear the old clothes a little longer if necessary, dispense with the new pair of gloves, mend the old dress, live on plainer food if need be." Barnum recommended keeping up with the newspapers, advertising your business as much as possible, and above all else, keeping the customer experience front of mind. Politeness and civility, Barnum advised in all seriousness, are the best capital ever invested in business. Barnum's first performance, the showman alone on stage with neither an acrobat or a wild animal anywhere in sight, was delivered before an audience of 2,000 people gathered in London at St. James's Hall just after Christmas in 1858. The English news media obliged him with plenty of coverage, concluding that Mr. Barnum is one of the most entertaining lecturers that ever addressed an audience on a theme universally intelligible. That's today's Barnum Fun Fact, and if you didn't know, now you do.